Rebate joints. If you're brand new to woodworking, other than the butt joint, this is one of the simplest joints you can learn. A rebate is a joint created by basically removing a small section of material, kind of like a step along the edge or end of your workpiece. This creates a little ledge so another piece can slot neatly into place. You'll find rebates handy to create simple projects like jewelry boxes or trinket trays, along with many others once you start literally thinking outside of the box. On its own, it's still a fairly simple joint, but it's stronger than a butt joint. That's because you've got more surface area for glue, not just face to face, but also along the shoulder of the rebate. This extra contact helps strengthen the joint, and if you want even more strength, you can still add nail, screws, or other fasteners, but for small, light projects, glue alone often works just fine. So if you've never picked up a tool before, the rebate joint is a great step up from a butt joint and allows you to get some miles in with your tenon sawing and chiseling skills. A rebate joint is still simple, but gives you that extra bit of strength and neatness in your projects.